In today's digital age, software has become ubiquitous, permeating every facet of business operations. From customer relationship management systems to enterprise resource planning software, businesses rely heavily on software to drive efficiency, productivity, and growth. Consequently, software quality has emerged as a critical factor in determining business success. High-quality software not only meets user needs effectively, but also enhances operational efficiency, reduces risks, and fosters customer loyalty, ultimately contributing to a company's bottom line. This essay delves into the profound impact of software quality on business success, exploring its influence on various aspects, including customer satisfaction, competitive advantage, cost savings, risk mitigation, and more. By examining real-world examples of software triumphs and failures, we can gain insights into the transformative power of software quality and its ability to make or break a business. Understanding the multifaceted benefits of investing in software quality is paramount for organizations striving to thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Customer satisfaction is paramount to business success. High-quality software plays a pivotal role in achieving this by delivering a seamless and positive user experience. When software functions flawlessly, is intuitive to use, and meets customer needs effectively, it fosters satisfaction and loyalty. Conversely, buggy, unreliable, or difficult-to-use software leads to frustration, dissatisfaction, and ultimately, customer churn. Consider the impact of a poorly designed e-commerce platform. Customers may encounter broken links, slow loading times, or a confusing checkout process, leading to abandoned carts and lost sales. On the other hand, a well-designed platform with a user-friendly interface, secure payment gateway, and personalized recommendations can significantly enhance customer satisfaction, encourage repeat purchases, and drive revenue growth. In today's interconnected world, negative customer experiences can spread like wildfire through online reviews and social media, damaging a company's reputation and deterring potential customers. Therefore, prioritizing software quality is essential for businesses to build and maintain a loyal customer base, ultimately driving sustainable growth and success. In today's cutthroat business landscape, gaining a competitive edge is crucial for survival and growth. Software quality plays a pivotal role in establishing this advantage. Superior software can differentiate a business from its rivals, attract new customers, and solidify its market position. Software with enhanced functionality, intuitive user interfaces, and seamless performance can provide a significant edge. Imagine a financial services company offering a mobile banking app that surpasses competitors in terms of speed, security, and ease of use. Such an app would attract customers who value their time and seek a hassle-free banking experience. Furthermore, high-quality software can enable businesses to respond swiftly to market changes and customer demands. By embracing agile development methodologies and prioritizing software quality throughout the development lifecycle, organizations can release new features and updates quickly and efficiently, keeping them ahead of the curve and satisfying evolving customer expectations. While some businesses may view software quality as an additional expense, investing in it upfront can lead to significant cost savings in the long run. Detecting and rectifying software defects early in the development cycle is considerably less expensive than addressing them after deployment. Consider the costs associated with a major software failure after release. This could involve customer support inquiries, system downtime, data recovery, and potential legal liabilities. These costs can quickly escalate, impacting a company's financial stability. By investing in robust testing procedures, code reviews, and quality assurance measures, businesses can minimize the likelihood of costly post-release defects. Moreover, high-quality software requires less maintenance and support, freeing up valuable resources that can be redirected towards innovation and growth. By reducing the time and effort spent on bug fixes and system troubleshooting, businesses can optimize their operational efficiency and allocate resources strategically. In an era defined by digital transformation, software security is paramount. High-quality software is inherently more secure, minimizing the risk of data breaches, system vulnerabilities, and other cyber threats. Robust security measures embedded in the software development process protect sensitive information, ensuring compliance with industry regulations and fostering customer trust. Data breaches can be catastrophic for businesses, leading to financial losses, reputational damage, and legal repercussions. By incorporating security best practices, such as secure coding standards, vulnerability assessments, and penetration testing, organizations can significantly reduce the likelihood of such incidents. Moreover, high-quality software is more resilient and less prone to failures, minimizing downtime and ensuring business continuity. By investing in thorough testing and quality assurance, businesses can create reliable and robust software systems that can withstand unexpected events and maintain operational stability. Software plays a critical role in streamlining business operations and enhancing efficiency. High-quality software, designed with user experience in mind, simplifies tasks, automates processes, and improves overall productivity. Consider the impact of a well-designed enterprise resource planning, or ERP system. By integrating various business functions, such as finance, inventory, and human resources, an ERP system can eliminate manual processes, reduce errors, and provide real-time visibility into key performance indicators. Furthermore, user-friendly software requires less training and support, enabling employees to adapt quickly and perform their tasks efficiently. When employees can easily navigate and utilize software tools, they can focus on higher-value activities that drive business growth. In today's digitally driven marketplace, brand reputation is paramount. High-quality software can significantly enhance a company's brand image, fostering trust and credibility among customers and stakeholders. When software consistently meets or exceeds customer expectations, it builds a positive brand perception. Customers associate the software's quality with the company itself, leading to increased trust and loyalty. Conversely, software failures, security breaches, or a poor user experience can severely damage a company's reputation. Negative online reviews, social media backlash, and news reports about software problems can erode customer trust and impact a company's bottom line. Agility and innovation. Adapting to change and delivering value. The business landscape is constantly evolving, requiring organizations to be agile and innovative to remain competitive. High-quality software provides a solid foundation for adaptability and innovation, enabling businesses to respond to changing market dynamics and customer needs effectively. Agile development methodologies, coupled with a focus on software quality, allow businesses to iterate quickly, experiment with new features, and deliver value to customers in a timely manner. Moreover, high-quality software is often modular and scalable, making it easier to modify, extend, and integrate with other systems. This flexibility empowers businesses to adapt their software solutions as their needs evolve, ensuring long-term viability and competitiveness. Real-world examples, software success and failure stories. The impact of software quality on business success is evident in numerous real-world examples. Companies that prioritize software quality often reap the rewards of increased customer satisfaction, reduced costs, and enhanced brand reputation. Consider the success of Amazon, a company renowned for its customer-centric approach and its relentless focus on software quality. Amazon's e-commerce platform, driven by robust and scalable software, provides a seamless and personalized shopping experience, earning the loyalty of millions of customers worldwide. On the other hand, software failures can have disastrous consequences. The 2017 Equifax data breach, resulting from a known software vulnerability, exposed the sensitive personal information of over 147 million people, costing the company billions of dollars in legal fees, fines, and reputational damage. Conclusion: the enduring significance of software quality. In conclusion, software quality is not merely a technical consideration. It is a strategic imperative for businesses operating in the digital age. From customer satisfaction and competitive advantage to cost savings and risk mitigation, the impact of software quality reverberates throughout an organization, influencing its overall success. By prioritizing software quality throughout the development lifecycle, businesses can create exceptional user experiences, streamline operations, reduce risks, and foster innovation. As software continues to permeate every aspect of our lives, its quality will only become more critical. Businesses that recognize this and invest accordingly will be well positioned to thrive in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Call to action: prioritizing software quality for business success. To harness the transformative power of software quality, businesses must adopt a proactive and comprehensive approach. This involves investing in skilled software engineers and quality assurance professionals, implementing robust testing procedures throughout the development lifecycle, embracing agile development methodologies to foster collaboration and flexibility, prioritizing security measures to protect sensitive data and mitigate risks, and continuously monitoring software performance and gathering user feedback. By embedding software quality into their organizational DNA, businesses can unlock a world of opportunities, driving customer satisfaction, gaining a competitive edge, and achieving sustainable growth in the digital age.